And we're back in the Nevada desert. Isn't Nevada just stunning? Wow. Again, in this video, I would love to apologize for our shaky camera work, maybe not showing you exactly where we're going, butt shots, and yeah, we're gonna blame Dan.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Ellie Knows Rocks. I am standing inside the Azurite mine right now in Nevada. And we're about to walk down behind me to check out these adits that are all over this mountainside. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure, and let's go see what we find. This video is sponsored by Olight. These have been some really amazing LED lights that I have been using. They're super powerful and they're perfect for looking inside abandoned mines. Now you guys know, and if you don't know, I do not endorse anything that I don't believe in. I don't want you guys to go out and buy something just because I said it might be cool. Because if I wouldn't buy it, I don't want anybody else to buy it. But these things are legit. You guys will see how well they work. They are pretty freaking cool.
This road was just too narrow to take the truck up, so we're walking. The mine we're about to go see was discovered in 1899, and its primary ore was copper, lead, and zinc, with some secondary silver and gold. This explains our beautiful green rocks that we're already seeing. I couldn't find too much out about this mine, other than it's called the Azurite Mine, or Boss Mine, and it's located outside of Good Springs, Nevada.
Holy crap. Wow. The amount of dump here is amazing. Oh, look at that green one. Real super dark green minerals. That's awesome. There are adits up there. Amazing.
Here is a picture of the first adit we're about to go into because we forgot to take a video.
Look at these veins right here. This is what they were following inside of this copper mine, are these beautiful green chrysocolla, azurite, and malachite veins. Look how thick that one is.
And you can talk about how the spotlight, this is as dim as it goes.
It is?
That is the lowest setting.
Well, don't do it full on bright right now.
No.
Look at that. Look at how awesome some of these are. That's pretty neat. Look at that. That is stunning. Wow, look at it way up there.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go. It's just a trash pit. Or it is now, at least.
Ooh, what's been walking in here?
I don't know.
Well, take watch for critters. Okay. Wow. The ochre veins.
Wow, sketchy.
We're gonna go find Dan and see what's up. A stake in the wall. Oh, jeez. Whoa! Feel safe right there?
No,
Then why are you standing?
especially when you look up.
Hey, that's a cool little stake. Oh, or look down?
The up is worse.
Or over? Okay, so Dan just said the up is worse. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, that is definitely interesting. interesting, right? Holy crap. And
Just to let you guys know, when there's long pauses, it means Dan was swearing.
these. Oh!
What happened?
The board moved.
Jesus.
Sorry. That's fun. There's little honey holes that they find, little cool ore pockets. Oh, and look. That one's been boarded up too. Help with stabilization. This, oh wow, look how rich that little pocket is, right? Right over there. And the veins. Ooh,
This stake right here in the ceiling says 1974, 5th.
Really?
Yeah. Doesn't go anywhere. I look down there.
I know, I'm looking at the dynamite box that they used.
Oh, to shore it up?
Yeah.
Cool, huh?
Look, it says dynamite. Or something. Ow. Right there. No, it just says danger. High explosives. Oh, so much of me wants to pull that out of the ground.
See, like some of the weird stuff in here I don't get. A Ziploc bag, trash bag right there. Like, why?
Because people were collecting minerals.
Oh, is that what's going on?
Yep.
Dynamite box?
I don't know. There's more stuff in here. I just like it when the wood says high explosive, like everybody else does, you know?
Is that all dynamite box paper there?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's wax. So yeah, this was...
Dang.
Mm-hmm. So we're probably not walking in like the safest area.
Wow. Oh, this level above us.
Well, we're gonna go up there. That's another adit.
We didn't realize it at the time, but we found out that we're about 300 feet below the upper levels.
Oops.
Here. Oh, did you see the tracks?
Mm-hmm. That dead end's over there.
This?
Whoa. There's a vertical, like, adit right here.
Vertical adit. That's a shaft. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful.
Go around the other way.
Okay. Candles? Oh my gosh, look, that's old.
That Pepsi's old. Look at the age of that thing.
Mm-hmm. how blue that is. Someone left a Karen right here. Wow. Oh wow, and it keeps going that way, but
Yeah, I'm good. Not a chance I'm going down there.
look at this ladder going way down there, like 3, 4 different levels. Not a chance.
People are climbing up and down there.
Oh.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, no, those are broken steps. But if I had somebody to rappel me down in there, I'd do it.
We'd need a whole setup.
I was fascinated by the little vertical shaft with ladders in it, and really this screams that Ellie needs to go back with ropes. What do you guys think?
That way? Oh. Should we go check that?
Before, look at... Wow. That's either really good chrysocolla. I don't think it's turquoise. Okay, I'm gonna grab a couple of pieces. Hang on a second. That's too neat. This stuff's really chunky. That's cool. That's pretty too. Look at this vein. Man. Gosh, I am blown away. Blown away.
I like how that says no air
Where?
right there in front of us.
Oh, really?
This thing is on.
It is?
Yep. And it says it's fine.
Okay. This is micro faulting right here. This vein of ore came in to this little area, and then there was a little fault. That's pretty freaking cool. And you can just see the displacement of it. So does it go this way?
I don't know, but I kind of like don't want both of us to go down there at the same time, because right here it kind of gets a little confusing. Probably dead ends, but I can wait here and you can let me know.
Wow. Look at that up there, that whole level. Holy crap. Well, it looks like it dead ends. Yep. It stops. Wow, that's pretty cool. That one stops back there. Oh, that just stops right there. Get this.
That's
Sketchy.
Oh, this is the end unless it turns left. Which it does.
What?
Turns left.
Oh, the other one I guess could have turned left. Oh, these are bumps on the ground.
What do you mean?
They undulate, so there's tracks here.
Oh. Yeah?
What's this? Is that part of a crucible or clay
Pipe, maybe?
pipe
Crucible?
or concrete.
Mm-hmm. Lots of paper back here.
Now this is more waxed dynamite paper.
Whoa.
Jeez.
This one looks like it goes up to another level.
Oh, we're gonna wait.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Keep on going. Old ass Budweiser can. Old Budweiser can.
No. What is that?
Oh my god, that goes way the fuck down there.
Oh, this.
I don't feel like dying. I'm good.
Can you hold me a little bit? Wow. Holy cow. We're not gonna go that way?
Yeah, you want to keep going, keep going.
Okay. Just, you stay back in case anything happens.
Okay.
And listen for the sound of cracking or falling rocks.
So I keep going.
Well, if it doesn't turn left up here, I mean, I'll let you know in just a second.
Okay.
Well, so far, it's stops.
It stops?
Yep.
Okay.
There's no need to come over here.
There's a fault line that goes right here too. Sorry. Wow. Good rope. We had rope.
Okay, that was awesome. Now we're headed back outside because we're back at the entrance, and we're headed up to the next level to hopefully see some of that stuff that we just looked up at inside of this mine. Wow, that's so cool. All right, we're going to maybe come back down to this one, but we're gonna go to the very top one first and see. You can see tracks right here. They're coming out of this one right there. But oh wow, little footpath that goes that way, probably to that ore dump chute right over there. We're headed up. Dan's quite warm today.
To be continued.
Thank you guys so much for following me along on my crazy adventures. I'd like to thank Olight for brightening up this entire adventure. I absolutely love these lights. They're amazing.
This video just got way too long this time, guys, so it is to be continued. So next time on Ellie Knows Rocks, we are going in to the above attic, and it is huge. Here's a little sneak peek.
Wow. Look at this. This area is gigantic. Look at it. It is a huge ballroom. We've got a couple different prospects of areas that could go into places. There are holes and tunnels everywhere.
Oh, bats.